So we've already created the base. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a cube on top of the base. I'm going to come over here to my toolbox. I'm going to grab a box, cube, click, hold, drag, bring it over. Actually, I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to change the color. And you don't have to do this. It's just going to make it easier for me. I'll change it back later. So right now, I have two different, I can see it's two different boxes. I look at the size of this. So if the base was 1 by 1 by 0.062 height, my cube that sits on top of it is to be 0.5. So I clicked on a white edge, okay? And I go here, 0.5. I'm going to come over to this one. See how it already shrunk? The width is shrunk. Now I'm going to get the length. Click on this one. I'm going to make this 0.5. See how easy this is? Now I need to get the height. So to get the height, I'm going to come down my cube. There it is. And see how it won't let me get a side? Because the side right now is at, ooh, it did right there. I'm in luck. So I'm going to take the side, I'm going to go 0.5, okay? Enter. Now I'm going to take this, I'm going to bring it over, but to work in this mode, I need to set my plane. So I'm going to click on work plane, I'm going to come over here, and I need a square surface. So here's a square surface. See how the blue lines of the work plane are squared off? Same with this. Now see how anywhere else I'm not getting a square. But if I come right on one of these flat surfaces, so there's a flat surface there, I'm going to click. That's all I did. And now I have the work plane squared off perfectly with the backs of my two symbols right now. So I'm going to take this guy, okay, and I know he's 0.5 by 0.5, and I'm going to go click. I'm going to click off for a second. I'm going to go click, hold, drag. I'm going to go undo. Undo is Command Z. And I'm going to just, I learned this trick. I'm going to hold the shift key and I'm going to come straight across. I'm holding the shift key. I can't, no matter how much I pull down or up, it's not going to. I'm going to try and center it. So I'm counting the boxes on either side. Now see how much it's jumping right there? That's why I keep recommending down here, follow me, I'm going to click off. Down here, see where edit grid, that's where I changed it from millimeters to inches, cancel. But right here, I need to get myself into 164, and then I have really tiny movements. Then I can do real precision. So I'm going to take this, and I can either drag it, or I'm going to use the cursors, the arrows on my, it's still jumping. I'm surprised. So I'm going to hold this guy. No, he's moving much more smoothly. So I'm going to see if I can center it. And that looks one square. No, he has to go over just a touch more. There, okay? Looks good enough for now. Now, I'm going to go ahead and spin up. Come on. Look at the top view. Perfect. I'm going to come back over to my work plane. And I'm going to square it off either on that flat surface or on this flat surface. Click. Now it's leveled off. I'm going to take this guy here, my cube, and with the keyboard, I'm going to bring him down with the keyboard. Excellent. And you know what I might do right now is I might put him directly into a square. So see this corner right here? I think I'm going to go click, hold, and put him directly in that corner. And then I'm going to take this guy, and if I'm matching this, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, almost 8, just about 8, which means my center line is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right there. And then this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is my center line right here. And now I'm going to bring it down 4 because they're the same. As I try to line this up, that's about it right there. And now I'm going to take a look. Ooh, very nice. I take my work plane again. And you know what I've learned on this? See this tool? This is so helpful. I'm going to zoom in right directly above it. See, I can zoom in like this, but that doesn't mean I'm zooming in directly above it. If I want to have the computer have me zoom directly above it, I click on this one. Now I'm directly above it. I like it. And this is where I can get really precise. So I sit there, and now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go back up to the top. Definitely isn't centered. I'm going to take this. Centering it takes a little bit, but okay, so I have it there. Okay, so I look at this and I have one in, perfect. I have, ooh, this guy's off. How did he get so far off? So let's bring him down. Now let's take, so if he's one up, one down, he has to go, so he's just a 1 1/8, and here he's 1 1, which means he has to go up. Perfect. Is that it? Then over here I have 1 1/16. Over here I have 1. I think I've done it. Now I need to put, in the next step, I need to put the cylinder in the middle. But as of now, when I look at this, let's go down. Looks like it's connected in. I could actually connect it in a little bit more, but it looks like it's sitting directly on it. I think I'm okay. So I'm going to go back up, and in the next step, we're going to put a hole going through the middle of it. Okie doke.